Happy 7th of December, my vlog is back! I got you. I got you. I got you. I'm gonna get her. So guys, today isn't going to be a very long one because obviously Nana's brother's funeral was yesterday, so obviously I can't go in there all guns blazing and happy and wanting a vlog. So we're just going to go do a little shop run and then a couple of pranks today, and then we'll see where we go. I'll keep you updated. To the shop we go! It's very windy. Basket. We've got a basket. I don't even know what we need. Let's see what we need.
Cookie cake.
We need naan bread. We got the naan bread. We can't find the poppadoms. So next we need some bread. Let's go get the bread. Let's go get the bread. Let's go get the bread. We need bread. We got the bread. Milk. Going to get the milk. We have to wear masks again now in England. We found the milk. Got the milk. We need some chips. Got the chips. And we need some rice. It's curry night tonight. So we'll go get the rice and then we're all sorted. Egg fried rice, that's what we need. Egg fried rice. Boom, got the rice. Curry night completed. To the second shop we go. Storm barriers hit England. So what are we getting, Demi?
Getting my salads.
Getting a couple of pasta pots. What's them ones? Whole wheat chicken and whole wheat pasta salad. Oh yes. What else? Don't really know what else we need, do we?
Go down here.
We'll go look down the Christmas aisle. The Christmas aisle. Oh, look at them.
They're cute, but that's not really.
Oh, they're alright for the kids. We'll have to come back for them on payday.
I'm just trying to see anything.
I love Christmas aisles. The Christmas aisle is good to me. So what else are we getting?
I'm trying to look for somewhere.
What are you looking for?
This is what I'm looking for.
Milky bar, but are they for the baby?
Yeah, Phoenix.
Milky bar buttons for the baby.
First stuffing. That's it.
Lewis will have to get a Terry's chocolate orange. Oh, look at that one. This one.
What is it?
Fizz, crackles and bangs.
Oh, get me one.
Don't mind if we do, Demi.
Get me one.
Right, let's get out of the chocolate aisle.
I'm on a diet.
Well, that's not a very good diet, is it? With all that chocolate.
It's alright.
Right, what else do we need? We're going for the baby wipes. Put your mask up, Lewis. Legal guidelines. Baby wipes are down here. And I think that is about us done.
Yeah.
We are nearly done. Then we'll have to go back to Nana's and see what it's like. Other than that, I'm out for now. As they're completed. So we're still here because she's paid with about 5 different things. So we've been to about 5 different tills and she's never coming to the shop with me again. Finally, Asda is completed, but back to the curry night. So we actually forgot the curry, so we need to go back to get the curry for the curry night. So we've just gone around in massive circles because we went to one shop, then we went to the second shop thinking we're finished, but now we're back at the first shop because we forgot the curry for the curry night. Let's go grab it and then we should be done. We found the curry. Curry night complete. And back to Nana's we go! Shopping done, but Storm Barra is not really on our side. It is absolutely pouring down. Look at Demi popping in her own home first. I'm going straight to Nana's because this rain is brutal. Absolutely brutal. Bad get shot me in the house. Mate, it is bad out there. Oh, is Nunu cold? Am I cold? Oh, you're holding my hand. No, you just want your toy, don't you? Oh, that's good. That's good. Do it again. Woo! Who's the big girl? Who's the big girl? Mom's back. Mom's back. Say hi to Mom. She's being shy now. She's being shy. She's being shy. Oh, there's Mom. Get away, Mom. Get away, Mom. I'm vlogging with Lou. Yeah, you tell her, Dars. High five. High five. Yeah.
Ha.
You liar. She's always in her jammers.
No, I'm not. Don't you dare. Stop shocking me.
You're in jammers all the time.
No, I'm not.
Get that cigarette out of your mouth.
On. Telly on.
Tell him, Dars, put your program on. She's going mad, Dana.
Yeah, no, it's on now. I don't know.
Darcy, what's that? Yeah. Your program is back. Ah, the weather is minging. Come on, Sarah, run. So we've got to the school, but we don't want to get out of the car yet because the weather is absolutely brutal. What the hell is going on? School run completed! Woo! Hi, Auntie Elaine! Quick pit stop at the mother's to drop the sister off after school. So school run's done, just going back to Nana's now. I don't think I'm going to do the pranks today because the weather is absolutely brutal and I want to go home, have a bath and go to bed because I've got work tomorrow. So I'm just going to end this vlog here. So see you in the next one.